Welcome to our updated tutorial on how to hide your birthday party on Snapchat. Let's walk through the steps to keep your celebrations private on the platform. To begin, open the Snapchat app on your Android device to access your account settings. Tap on your avatar or profile picture at the top left corner of the screen to enter your profile settings. Next, tap on the settings icon located at the top right of the screen to access your account settings. Within the Settings menu, select the Birthday option to manage your birthday settings on Snapchat. Locate the option that says Birthday Party and ensure that this setting is unmarked or disabled. By disabling this feature, you can keep your birthday party information private and prevent it from being displayed to others on Snapchat. Once you have unchecked the Birthday Party option, your birthday party details will not be visible to your friends or contacts on the platform. Thank you for watching this guide on how to hide your birthday party on Snapchat. Enjoy enhanced privacy and control over your celebrations by following these steps to keep your birthday party information confidential. Customize your profile settings to maintain your privacy and enjoy a more personalized experience on Snapchat.